You don't lose your discipline all at once. It slips away slowly, through small decisions, quiet habits, and invisible behaviors that feel harmless, until one day, they shape the person you've become. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they're surrounded by habits that silently drain their energy, destroy their focus, and kill their motivation. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 habits that quietly kill your discipline, and how to replace each one with something that actually makes you stronger. Not with motivation, not with willpower, but with simple shifts that transform how your mind works. Let's begin. Habit 1. Starting your day in reaction mode. The moment you wake up, your brain is sensitive, clear, and ready to focus. And yet, the first thing most people do is pick up their phone. Messages, notifications, social media. Your brain goes from calm to overstimulated in seconds. You begin your day responding to the world instead of leading yourself. Fix it. Spend your first 10 minutes in silence. Drink water. Open a window. Let sunlight hit your eyes. Stretch. Breathe. These small behaviors lower your stress baseline and build clarity for the rest of the day. Habit 2. The micro-dopamine loop. Short videos, fast notifications, random scrolling. Your brain becomes conditioned to expect rewards every few seconds. This destroys your ability to focus on anything longer than 20 seconds. Fix it. Use micro-rules. No phone in the bathroom. No phone while eating. No phone during transitions like waiting in line or walking to another room. These moments feel small, but they retrain your brain to live without constant stimulation. Habit 3. Constant self-negotiation. You tell yourself, I'll do it later. Just 5 more minutes. I'll start tomorrow. But later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes never. Fix it. Use the 2-minute anchor. Start the task for just 2 minutes, nothing more. Most of the time, you will continue naturally. Momentum begins with tiny action. Habit 4. Overthinking before acting. You plan everything. You make lists. You rethink your decisions. You research, analyze, hesitate, and end up doing nothing. Fix it. Lower the activation energy. Make the first step absurdly small. If you want to work out, just put your shoes on. If you want to study, just open the book. If you want to clean your room, start with one object. Action creates clarity. Thinking creates friction. Habit 5. Consuming more than creating. You watch motivational videos. You listen to podcasts. You scroll through productivity tips. It feels productive. But if you consume more than you create, discipline dies quietly. Fix it. Use the create first rule. Before watching anything, create something, even for 5 minutes. Write 1 paragraph. Organize your desk. Stretch. Record 1 idea. The goal is not perfection, it's identity. Creators grow. Consumers stay stuck. Habit 6. Avoiding discomfort. Anytime something feels difficult or uncomfortable, you escape it. Your brain has learned to run from stress instead of pushing through it. And every escape strengthens the habit of quitting. Fix it. Practice controlled discomfort. Cold water. Silence. Long walks. A single deep focus session with your phone in another room. These simple challenges rebuild your mental resilience. You teach your brain that discomfort is not danger, it's growth. Habit 7. Living without clear boundaries. You let people interrupt you. You let distractions shape your day. You let emotions decide your actions. You never tell your brain what truly matters. Fix it. Choose your 3 priorities. Not a list of 10. Not a complicated system. Just 3. If everything is important, nothing is. Give your brain direction, and discipline becomes automatic. Your discipline isn't broken. It's buried under habits that weaken you slowly. If you change just 1 habit today, your future shifts. Change 2, and your identity starts to upgrade. Change 3, and you become a different person entirely. If this video helped you, subscribe to MindRise Upgrade. And comment below, which habit are you fixing this week? 1 insight at a time. We upgrade the mind.